Goodbye, street kid. Don't come back.
You cook here every day. No permit, no stall. Pack up. You can't be here anymore.
I'm going today, Dad. I will make you proud. The best cook does not need a rich family. She needs honest hands. That's me, Dad. That's me. This is it. Dad always said the best kitchens have the hardest doors. My name is Emma. I want to learn here. My father was a chef. Now I want to be one too.
Did she come here in her dad's old apron? This school has standards, you know?
Results in 3 days. I just have to wait.
3 days later, Emma came back. The door was still closed. But this time,
Good morning. Today we announce this year's accepted students. Alderman Academy accepts only the best. Sophie Harrington, James Caldwell, Chloe Bennett. Each of you represents the Alderman standard.
Emma, I know your application. You do not meet our standards.
Standards, Emma. Some people just don't belong here. My father was Chef Raymond. He wrote this for me. Please, just read it.
Alderman Academy has one standard: a letter. Does not change what you are.
Goodbye, street kid. Don't come back. No kitchen. No problem. Dad always said, fire is fire, anywhere. This is
Really good. How much, kid?
enough for ingredients tomorrow. Just keep going. Street food from a street kid. At least you found your level. Is this your uniform? Cute. Very authentic street chef. Put it down. That was my father's. Standards, Emma. Remember that. I'm sorry, Dad. I won't let them touch it again.
You cook here every day. No permit, no stall. Pack up. You can't be here anymore.
I'll find another place. I always do.
No school, no kitchen, no place to cook. But Emma still had one thing.
Dad, I don't know what to do next. I just don't know. Take it. I can find more later.
Thank you, little one. God bless you.
It's okay. Dad always said, kind hands never go hungry long.
You gave away your only food. Why? He was hungry.
I wasn't that hungry. My dad taught me that.
That smell on your apron. What did you cook today?
Bone broth, 2 hours, then saffron cane, 2 pinches, my dad's recipe.
I have it all up here. Aldermen turned you away. Didn't they? Come to this address tomorrow. 6 a.m. Bring the apron.
Bring the apron! He saw it. and he still said bring it.
Put it on, Emma. But keep the old one underneath. Both matter here.
Okay, Dad. We're both here.
Don't be afraid of a bigger fire, Emma. It still listens, if you know how to talk to it.
You cooked with your memory, not your hands. Cook again.
This time.
Forget the recipe.
Day 5, and her hands are starting to remember. Good.
If I add ginger here, the broth gets warmer. Dad never tried this, but I think he would like it.
She cooks at midnight, when no one asks. This girl is already a chef.
Your father's recipe and yours. I can taste both. That is very rare.
5 years, Emma. You train here. Then, we talk about the next step.
5 years. I will be ready.
5 years later, Emma stayed, Emma trained, and Emma became exactly who she always was.
Alderman Academy just changed owners. That line has your name on it, Emma.
Everyone deserves a chance. That is the new standard.
Victor Group bought everything. We need this, Chloe. We apply.
Fine, but I'm not waiting in a long line.
Victor Group. I don't know who runs this now, but I need this job.
Miss Alderman, the director will see you now. Same gate, different side.
Miss Alderman is here for the head instructor position. Director Emma, whenever you're ready.
Chloe Bennett, junior instructor position. Welcome, Chloe. Everyone deserves a chance.
Dad, I made it. And I kept your apron the whole time.
All colors welcome here. That is the new standard.